Hey y'all, welcome back to this week's vlog. How are you doing? It's the middle of the week, 9 p.m. on a Wednesday night, and I'm about to take my shower and jump into the bed because I'm tired, absolutely knackered, and I don't know, I've been feeling so bogged down, and I don't know if it's tired. I don't know what it is, but I definitely have been feeling off. And you know what? I know what it is. I'm saying I don't know, but it's really the change. So the change from the short days to the longer days. So by 5 o'clock I had them open, and then even though I'm tired, I know my eyes won't actually close until like 11-12, because it's a lot. It takes some getting used to. It's daylight until, let me tell you what time sunset is these days. Sunset is at 20 minutes to 9 o'clock, and sunrise is at 5:08. So, and it's still getting longer. It's gonna get longer into the summer, and yeah, it kicked my ass last year too. It's kicking it again this year. So anyway, welcome back to another vlog. As you all know, I've been trying to re-record the sit down that I lost, and I have not been able to do it because I've just been too busy and too tired. And clearly today is not going to be the day, but I really wanted to say hi real quick because I feel like if I don't start the vlog right now, I might not start it this week. So I hope your day has been going well. I am going to have a bath. See ya. Before I go, do y'all see my skin? I'm a little bit oily now because, you know, it's the end of the day, but baby, the warmer weather agrees with me, okay? Anyway, I'm gone. Hey guys, so we came back from Costco just now, and I'm going to show you what we got before we put away these things quickly. We don't generally go to Costco a lot, so maybe like once every few weeks or a few months, and then we stock up on a few things, right? When we're there, I typically like to go to the clothes section and to the book section, and sometimes we'll find, you know, some hardcover books that I like to read, or some clothes because those sleep on Costco clothes. So I'm going to show you what we got. Some things we typically get, some things is the first time, and I will tell you if that's the case as we go through. So let's start with the things that need to be refrigerated. So we got this pineapple, and sometimes we get it and sometimes we don't, because it's a lot of pineapple to eat very fast, and our family is not that big. The thing with Costco is a lot of the things we can't buy because it's just too much for us. But then there are other things that we typically buy that we can use. But like this, for example, this is a lot of fruit, a lot of pineapples, and we have to chop all of it to try to get it all gone by the time it's supposed to. We also got, this is Greek yogurt bars. I've never gotten this before. This is the first time. I just feel like maybe this will be good for, you know, to snack on during the week, or maybe even at breakfast time. I don't know. But there's that. I also got this sort of pack of juices, smoothies. These are pretty handy for, you know, morning time or to put into my lunch bag for work. And this is something that I've started to get most times when I go now. This is stir fry blend. This is the first time I'm getting this, and I normally get the smaller bags. So let me see if I can find one and show you. I normally get these ones, which, you know, 1 and 2 you shake out and it's done. So I got this one this time, and mostly I got this because I feel like this today. So this is the first time I'm getting this, but that's good. So that's, how do I put this away now? So it's over there. So, and then there's this big bag of potatoes. Sometimes I'll buy potatoes in there, sometimes I won't. Potatoes can be bought by this quantity pretty much anywhere, but this was $7, I believe. So potatoes are good things. Then got these huge sweet peppers. It's a lot, but what I like to do is to cut them up and put them in Ziploc bags, which we also got some Ziploc bags. Put them in the Ziploc bags and then put them in the freezer, and then we use them as we go along, and that lasts us for a couple of months. These juice, we go through juice pretty fast here. So I like this flavor. It's blackberry lemonade. This one is 2. And then, oh, here's another one. Watermelon dragon fruit. And there's 3 of them on there. Probably gonna be gone in like 2 weeks. So that's something that we also typically get. We also get coffee, like a big thing of coffee. I prefer the flavored ones, but they don't seem to ever have the flavored ones, so we just get the classic. Is this medium roast, and that's good, and that will serve for a couple of weeks. Some cooking spray. We don't normally buy cooking spray. We normally buy cooking oil, but we didn't get any today. 3-pack of Dawn. So there's like this one at the pump, and then there's 2 refills in there, and we typically get that. This time we also got this cookies that fell out because they were opened and not closed properly. Jesus. Wait, but cookies, we normally get treats. Got some dinner rolls. We got some bread pretty fast in this house, so I'm expecting this to go just as fast. Here are some apple turnovers, which will also, I think, go as fast as they need to go.
two 18 carton of eggs, so it come as like this. And the little miss typically have eggs every morning, so there's that. And then I got this thing of bio oil because I've been using it and I really like it, for my skin, for my face, just yeah. So the last time I bought one was probably a year ago, and so I got a new one now. And then this is one of those treat things that I bought this. I not the last time, the time before, and I really like it. It's Belgian coconut cookies, and it tastes pretty good. So we got that again, and then I got some caps. One white, one black. Different kind of hats, and a t-shirt. And then I got some thighs, some chicken. So typically we get like 3 whole chickens, a pack with 3 whole chickens in there. This time I just got thighs, so these are some boneless. And then I also got another pack that has the bone in, and this will hold us for a couple of weeks. So that is everything, and that total is $447. So like I mentioned, there are some other things that we need that we did not buy in Costco because it just never makes sense. It's just the quantity is too much for us. So for example, butter, I like to buy like the big tub of butter, but only one will serve us for weeks and weeks, maybe months. And they package them where you have to buy 3 of those big tubs, so that doesn't make sense. The bread that we like is not sold in there, so we do that otherwise somewhere else as well. And like little things where it don't make sense. I forgot to show you guys. We also got water, so 2 cases of water, a case of juice box, a case of Pringles. These are very typical that we're going to get every time we go. But then we also got this case of paper towel. We buy this like maybe once or twice a year. Same thing for the toilet paper, and we didn't need toilet paper this time, but we needed this. So that is our Costco haul, and then it's gonna be a little bit before we go back.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Take you there. These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard.
The beach
There was no other way. Did you
in Regina. More at Regina Beach. It's giving summer. I didn't expect there to be like a lot of people, but there is. Look, it's pretty. I think we just come off that sun the drive and them thing there. But there are people here, like lots of people. People are in the water. Yes, but we're not going in there.
With our, you know, clothes or something.
How'd you like the beach?
I'm coming home.
Look at the scenery. You can see down there.
We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, I know I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm
got wood chips in them.
I know. These don't look like wood chips. No! Hey! I want to be a really good boy. I'll swing back. No! Hey! I want to be a really good boy. Mommy, I can do a cartwheel in the sand. Can I show you?
Sure. I forgot what shorts I'm not there tomorrow. No.
Look at all the seagulls. Ah! One's coming through.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
So, rain is coming. We haven't been here very long, but the rain is coming, so we have to go. Yo! This is a nice drive out. Look how pretty the grass is, y'all. I love it.
Morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've been